Hello, great people. Welcome back to Global Happenings. Today, we are so excited to have you again. We are counting days to the trial of Nnamdi Kanu. Don't forget that he will be appearing in court on the 18, 19, and 20. And I believe that you have seen our feed and you've gotten to know that a lot of people, especially international community, have been invited and they've been asked to send in representatives to come and see how the trial will be going on. But then there are final words which they have sent out to his teaming supporters, and also the legal team has unveiled some strategies they are going to use. For them, said that the strategies are winnable strategies, and he has this to tell the teaming supporters of Nnamdi Kanu. We are going to be looking at that in a jiffy, but before we do that, if you've not subscribed, kindly hit the red subscribe button and also the bell icon so that you get notification anytime we publish our video. According to the news, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, Nnamdi Kanu, has urged his supporters to comport themselves in accordance with the law when they come to show solidarity at the Federal High Court, Abuja, on Tuesday. This was contained in a statement signed by his lead lawyer, Ifeanyi Ejiofor, made available on Thursday. The council also said that Kanu's legal team had written all respected international organizations to warn the overzealous Department of State Services, operatives, and other security agencies to be civil. Ejiofor also asserted that he and his colleagues has taken a new approach to their legal strategies, which would stun Kanu's enemies. Kanu, a pro-Biafra agitator, is being prosecuted by the President Muhammadu Buhari government on allegation of treason leveled against him. He has been in the custody of the secret police, the Department of State Services, since June 2021. Speaking about the next court case, Ejiofor said, "We are optimistic that the court outing of Onyendu would be impressive. Onyendu himself is in high spirit." The statement read in full, "We undertook our customary visit to Onyendu in DSS custody today. In the course of the visit, our discussion focused primarily on our final preparation for the legal battle that would resume on the turf of the Federal High Court, Abuja Judicial Division, from next week and on subsequent adjourned dates, if any. We collect the product of our individual reflection on the most potent legal strategies henceforth to be adopted, fine-tune and harmonize them, and then distill them into a single, conclusive, potent, workable formula. We are optimistic that the court outing of Onyendu will be impressive. Onyendu himself is in high spirit. Our discussion with him further reassured him and strengthened his determination to persevere unrelentingly. I declare to you, Chineke, that Onyendu is fully prepared to appear in court as from the 18th of January 2022. He is rooting for victory and knows that with the help of Sh0ck Obiama, victory is assured. You will all behold with your eyes an interesting dimension in the harmonized workable formula we have evolved. The detractors of Onyendu will be comprehensively humbled and permanently put to shame. Further, Onyendu utilized the opportunity afforded by our visit to mandate us to admonish his teaming supporters and followers. He advises those of them that would appear in court in demonstration of their unflinching support and loyalty to him to conduct themselves with decorum, be civil in their conduct and comportment, shun violence and deviant attitude or behavior in any matter or form, and exercise restraint in speech. On our part, we have caused formal correspondence to issue on responsible, sovereign, democratic governments and other international institutions to prevail on the Nigerian government to caution on court and overzealous security agents. We can authoritatively declare to you, Chineke, that those correspondents are receiving the requisite attention they deserve. We are optimistic that there would be a positive transformation in the conduct and general approach of the said overzealous security agents at the next appearance of Onyendu in court. We make bold to state for the umpteenth time that Onyendu has not committed any offense known to the law. For this reason, he must be released unconditionally. We specifically appeal to you, Sh0ck, to demonstrate profound understanding and fortitude in this trying time. You must remain focused, dogged, and resilient. On no account must your untiring spirit be shaken and your resolve diluted. You must keep the peace at all time and comport yourself with decorum. In no too distant time, you will surely savour the sweetness of victory. Celebration and jollity will resound in your respective dwelling, and sorrow and sighing shall take a permanent and unremitting flight to the abyss. Onyendu expresses his profound gratitude and appreciation to millions of his followers and supporters scattered throughout the face of the earth. He declared to them never to lose hope, but to hold steadfastly to that one thing that is dear to them. He promises them that with the help of Sh0ck, the present distraction would soon pass and that victory and celebration will be their lot. Thank you all, Sh0ck, and remain blessed. That was the statement made by the lead counsel of Nnamdi Kanu legal team. And this is quite interesting. It's a kind of encouraging words to those who are going to be part of the supporting team that will be in the Federal High Court, and has also given some warning that everyone should refrain from anything that will cause the federal government or possibly cause the security agents to arrest, prosecute, or do anyhow with anyone. And, this is a good one in the sense that already, based on what they have said, they are fully prepared. The legal team is fully prepared, to shock the council of the federal government. But then people have reacted to some of the statement that had been made, by the lead person there. That's the lead person of the legal counsel of Nnamdi Kanu. And this one here says, how are we sure that some of this statement you guys come out to say here is from him, or you just sit back to coin what pleases your heart? Another one here says, the way you speak, it seems as if our leader is a weakling. We are not going to back down. We will be there. We won't cause any trouble. Whatever we know will be done to bring him out, we will do it. Another person here says, let's abide by the instructions that we are given. We should try to ensure that there is peace, because the bottom line is his release. If he is released, then we can continue with what we are doing. But for now, let us show some attitude of carefulness and proven humility. This one here says, this is quite interesting. I am waiting for 18, 19, and 20. I know a lot of things will unfold on that day. Another person here says, our legal team, I hope you people are prepared. And I hope that we won't go in there and start unnecessary argument that will lead to the postponement of this same issue to March and all of that. Please do well to ensure that you get adequate info so that when you go in there, you start defending him. We are tired of stories today, stories tomorrow. That is coming from some of the supporters of Nnamdi Kanu. We'd like to leave it there. Go to our comment section.